Okay, so this is our compressibility chart. On our compressibility chart, we have our reduced pressure, which is on the x-axis here. Then we have our compressibility factor, which is Z, which is equal to PV over RT. This PV over RT are the ideal gas properties. So you can also use, if you have these properties, you've been given these properties, you can use them to find the Z value. Then if you don't have one of these properties but you have the Z value, you can also use it to find any of these properties. You just get the given values and plug them into the equation. Then if you look here, we've got the TR. The TR is the solid lines. So the TR is the solid lines. If you can see, the TR goes up here 1.05, 1.1, all the way up to 3.5. Then we also have here where it extends. This is also TR. And then we have the dashed lines. These dashed lines are the reduced volume, which you can get from the formula which I showed you, which is the volume over the critical volume, which is given in your thermodynamic tables. Yeah. So then what we're going to do is we're going to look at our example. So our example gives us a PR of 7.76. So 7.76 is somewhere here. Then we have to go up because we already have our PR value. Then we go up to look for a TR. Then our TR was 2.377. So we have to go between 2 and 2.5 here. Then so while we're going here, it's much easier when you're drawing rather than when you're doing it on the computer. So please bear with me. So here we'll have it somewhere here. We found 7.75 was somewhere here. I'm sorry, 7.76, it was somewhere here. And then 2.377 will be somewhere here. Yes. So now if we go to the left, this is approximately. So if we go to the left, we're going to find that the Z value is 1.10. So if we didn't have, if our TR and PR criteria failed, and our pressure criteria also failed, or our temperature criteria also failed, and we use the Z criteria, if we find 1.10, then the gas is a real gas. It's not an ideal gas. For you to make sure that it's an ideal gas, it has to be between 1.05 and 0.95. But because we already have our PR values, which are PR and TR values, which already set the ideal gas criteria, we say it's an ideal gas. But if we were using the Z criteria, we would say that it's not an ideal gas, it's a real gas.